Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope you are doing amazing in your life. Today I am going to tell you a story about a little kid, and it is a very interesting story. And the story name is What a Good Deed. So let's get started. A long time ago, there was a little boy who lived with his mother. He loved his mother very much. Once his mother fell ill and she had to stay in bed. One night, she asked her son to bring some water. When he tried to pour some water from the pitcher, it was empty. He went to the nearby canal to fetch some water. When he came back with the water, his mother was sleeping. He was not sure what to do. He waited whole night patiently at his mother's side. When his mother woke up, she drank the water. She asked, "How long have you been here?" "You haven't been here for all the night, have you?" "Yes, mother," he replied. "I have been here since you asked me to bring some water." His mother prayed for his son, and the same kid grew up to be a great saint called Bayazid Bastami. So students, we have learned from this lesson that we should always help our parents in home activities, especially when they are not feeling well. So always try to help your parents and promise me that you will always try to do a good deed on daily basis. Thank you and goodbye.